Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can check your Instagram app login activity from different devices. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments. And let's get started with you and me. So, after you open the Instagram app, you'll need to go to our profile. Next, in the top right corner, click on the three bars. Next is Settings. Next, you go to the Meta Account Center at the very top. After you scroll a little bit and go into Password and Security. And here you select the function where you're logged in. Next, you'll need to select the Instagram page that you want to verify. And here you'll be able to see all the devices from which you have logged into this Instagram page. You'll also be able to see the date and time that it was done. And if let's say you want to delete any of the logins, any of the data, you just need to be able to click on it. Then select Log Out. Confirm your action. Then in just a few seconds, you will see that one of the logins has been deleted. That's the simple way you can check your Instagram login activity. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and write your comments. See you soon, friends.